Ever wished you could make $100 in just a few minutes? Well, today I'm going to reveal the secret to easy money making using Google. Forget all the hard work and tedious tasks, because I've got a simple step-by-step process that will have you earning cash in no time. Trust me, this is a strategy you don't want to miss. We'll be using AI tools and platforms to generate captivating titles, create engaging articles, and even monetize your content for maximum profit. Whether you're looking to make money on websites like Listverse, ShrinkMe, and Medium, or sell your writing services on Contra or SEO Clerks, I've got all the tips and tricks you'll need. The potential for income is huge, and the possibilities are endless. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is to head over to Google and, on the search bar, type Google News. Click on the first website that pops up. Now, what you need to set your mind to is to find the most trending or viral news in the US. To do that, simply click here where it says US. Immediately, you'll be shown several different news articles. They're all trending, so you need to decide which one you think will be best to use. Once you have chosen the news, search for shortening.ai in your web browser. This is the tool we'll be focusing on, so make sure to sign up for free by entering all your info, or simply do it by connecting to your already existing Google account. But before I show you how to use that tool, let's go to ChatGPT. Here, you'll want to create a prompt like this one where you tell ChatGPT, generate 10 gripping and captivating article ideas and titles based on real crime stories. Each idea should aim to entertain readers with scary, gut-wrenching details that provide an intriguing and chilling glimpse into true criminal events. Ensure that the topics cover a variety of horror, suspense, and psychological drama. What you want to do now is grab the idea that you like best, copy it, and then head over to the SEO writing tool. Here, select the option that says One-Click Blog Post. Believe it or not, this tool will take care of almost everything you need to nail this strategy. Now, under the main keyword, paste the title you got from ChatGPT. Then press the button that says Generate a Title, and boom, you just got yourself a great eye-catching title you can use. But that's not all this app can do. It can generate a full article based on your preferences. You can choose the tone of voice, the point of view, and even the country of the target audience. And it's not called SEO for nothing. This tool can provide you with great keywords to include in the text, so that your article can rank higher by clicking NLP Keywords Generation. Then, it is also possible to choose how many images and YouTube videos you want to include, and the article size. Once you have finished selecting all the options, you can choose between publishing this article directly to your WordPress account, or you can select the Run option. That way, everything is saved and ready to use whenever you need it. The next step is to do some research about the title you asked ChatGPT to come up with. The idea here is to find some shocking images related to the event. In my case, I will be choosing this one since it gives me some creepy vibes, and that's exactly what I'm going for. Now let me go back to the SEO writing app to show that the article has been created and even contains some AI-generated pictures that fit the theme very well. So what you'll want to do is copy the article by clicking here. But how can you profit from this? Well, pay attention, because here is where things get interesting, as there are many ways to monetize this content. One of my favorite ways to generate revenue from these articles is to use Listverse, a website that allows you to upload real-life stories with a hint of bizarreness people love for that entertainment value. Now, the way you can monetize here is by heading to the More tab and selecting Write and Get Paid. You'll open this page that tells you the rules you need to follow, such as not stealing anyone's content. And the best part is that they'll reward you with $100 per article you make. The only thing to keep in mind is how to cash the money. The article needs to be accepted, but if it's good quality, there's nothing to worry about. Go to the More section again and select Submit a List. It will be directed to this page where you can submit your details. It will also ask for the title of the article as well as the content. But since that's already done, all you must do is copy and paste it there. Then, simply submit it. Another great option to make revenue is to first search for an article similar to the one you made. Then copy the link and search for this website called ShrinkMe. The way this website works is that you get paid whenever someone clicks on your link. To get started, create an account. From here, you'll get a sign-up bonus of $1, and the minimum payout is $5. For every 1,000 views, you'll earn, and the rates may depend on every country. But there's a big potential right there. Once you're in, paste the link here and make sure to shorten it. To cash out the money, you need to go to the withdraw section and make sure to add your payment details. The next method is going to require you to go to medium.com, which is a website that allows you to publish articles. To begin, click on Write and paste the title and content of your article there. Beware that the images won't be copied, but that's no problem at all because you can save each image and then upload them manually. A cool thing you can do is highlight an article by using the method I showed you using the Shrink Me by EO website. That way, whenever someone clicks on that link, you will be able to earn some money. Do it this way so that the readers don't see the link exactly, but rather a title that will open the link. And don't be afraid to paste the link. Wherever you think it fits well, place it. That way, you'll increase the chances that someone will click on the link. And you're ready to publish this. If you want to make sure your article ranks higher, consider inserting some keywords here in the topic. Then you'll be prepared to publish it. Don't forget to copy the link to the article. I'll show you a way you can use it to your advantage using the following method. Imgur is where you'll want to head next, since this is a website that allows you to publish pictures with entertaining images. Remember the photo I told you to download at the beginning? You can use it now to create a post. Then paste the title. And for the caption, you can tell people to read the full story by clicking on the link from the article you just published on Medium. And now you can post it. This is a great way to promote the article because millions of people come here every day looking for something entertaining and of value. And that's not it. If you want to use this to its full potential, you can also sell your writing article services. One place that I can recommend to you is Contra. As you can see, there are a lot of people charging anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. And since you're doing it with an AI tool, maybe you can lower your prices to attract customers while still providing a top-quality service. But if Contra didn't convince you, then another way you can put your articles to work is by selling them on a website like SEO Clerks. Under the Job tab, you'll find a section for article writing. Now, looking at this, people are getting paid $10 to $40 for every article that they write. Since you're doing it with the help of AI, you can create many articles and achieve your financial goals. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.